Now, what happened was in about 2018, there was a paper from Google. I wasn't directly involved with this paper, but this paper essentially got all of the data from UK Biobank, the retinal imaging data from the big UK Biobank study, and it applied AI, a type of AI called deep learning, to the retinal images from UK Biobank, and it tried to predict a variety of different things. And the interesting thing was that it was able to look at a retinal photograph and it was able to predict the age of the person to within 3 years. It was able to predict the biological sex of the person with uncanny degree of accuracy, but it was also able to predict whether they smoked or not. It was able to predict high blood pressure and a variety of other things. And so this got, initially people were just thinking about the cardiovascular prediction, but actually I guess one of my indirect contributions was that I was at a conference in the US around the time this came out, and I stood up at the conference, and I remember I wasn't involved in this research, but I said the thing that is most stunning about this is that it could tell whether you're a man or a woman
Mm.
directly from the retinal photos.
Yeah. No,
And
no human
and
can do
that's stunning because we can't do it. As optometrists or ophthalmologists, we can't do it ourselves. And so this suggests that there's a lot of biological information that's locked in these images. And so I said this, and the person giving the conference, giving the lecture, is a very famous guy called Eric Topol, from the US, a cardiologist, and then he tweeted about it. And then it seemed to get lots of traction, and then people started talking about it. And then, as you said, a year or so later, my good friend Alistair Denniston coined the term oculomics, and
it.
we've been exploring that ever since.